My turbo is different from this turbo, right?
You have zonas.
So which is better? Let's see.
We're gonna find out this week. Hey guys, it's Paul from IAP Racing. I'm back here in Manila for the second twin turbo Lamborghini Gallardo. This car is going to get E85 capability so that they can run on that for about an extra 100 wheel horsepower. So we'll keep you updated as the build goes along and hope you guys like it. Look how big his is.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Installing the intercooler coolant tank, and what that does is that uses water to basically cool the intercoolers and the system down while you're driving to keep IAT slow. We're able to fit a larger tank than last time. We have about a 3.5 gallon tank. It'll really help the system work well in the heat and humidity that you guys deal with here in Manila. Today what we got going on is the kit is completely installed. We're just filling everything with fluids, coolant, intercooler reservoir, engine oil. Gonna pressure test everything. All of our twin turbo builds, we run Cyvex ECUs. We just have to pin a few extra sensors that we like to monitor while we're tuning the car, and it'll just make life easier overall. Hey guys, Paul from IAP Racing here, back in Manila. We just did our second stage 1 twin turbo build here. Just finishing up the dyno tuning. Check it out, I think you'll really like it.